JohnnyJuliano.com.
From the moment that I've seen your face, right then I know it'd be okay. I hope that this moment would last forever,
I know I want that moment, you know I want that moment. The type of moment when you don't have no worries. Up in the morning looking through my emails, there's producers, but I'm still focused, trying to make this damn music and get it all promoted, huh? I know this how my damn life changed, how my damn life changed. It was going too good to go the right way, but at the end of the day, don't give me the right of way. I hope y'all feel what I feel, cause what I feel is was real, like life with a few kids. Music ain't given, but if it is, it's a gift. Coming down with that white and orange like we are the Knicks. I know how my damn life changed, I know how my damn life changed. It was going too good to go the right way, but at the end of the day, that don't give me the right of way.
From the moment that I've seen your face,